What's good, Grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, let me ask you something. Do you like to shop at Walmart? Of course you do. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online with Walmart. If that sounds good to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online with Walmart. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, new guys that are checking out my channel, I need you to hit that like button, because if I get 50 likes, I'm going to reward somebody with free money. So all you have to do is just hit that like button, drop a comment down below. Just say something very compelling, say something very original in your comments about this video, and I'm going to randomly pick that person and reward that person with some free money. So hit that like button for me. Also, please check in the description below. I have some free stuff I want to give away. So in the area where it says free giveaways, it's a link that you can click on and it'll take you to a website where you can get 3 free gifts. But you must be subscribed to my channel to get these free gifts. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. Also, I have other free stuff that you can check out in the description below. I have it where you can get some money just for signing up. And I also have a tool you can download that's free that will help you get views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. All right, please watch this video to the very end because I have a proposition I want to offer you guys. Without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make money online with Walmart just by working at home. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at walmart.com. So what we're going to be doing is you're going to become affiliate. Now, if you don't know what an affiliate is a person that helps a company sell their product. So you're going to help Walmart sell their products. And let me go ahead and go to the affiliate site that you're going to be using. Well, you're going to go there and sign up so you can become affiliate. So let me go there right quick. Okay, I'm at the affiliate program site. So it's affiliates.walmart.com. And it says here, become a Walmart affiliate, earned by referring customers to walmart.com. So you click on the button where it says become a member. Let's click on that right quick. And it's going to take you to this page where you'll complete the application. So you're just going to be putting your normal information, name, email address, username, confirm the passcode, and then they're going to ask you some company information. So if you have a website, you put that there. Display your name at the top, country, address, state, zip code, phone number, time zone, bank location, company, currency. So, Walmart is worldwide, so you can have different currencies. So if you are in Europe, you can use the euro, and Australia, they has
they have the AUD. So this is a lot of countries that can participate as an affiliate here. And down here it has the promotional methods. So you'll be selecting that. Let's select that and see. See email, search engine, loyalty rewards. So it says select the top promotional method which you employ. So, and let's see what else it has here. Media properties. So let's see what that is. They have website, mobile app, and then they have the payout details. And these are the payout details right here. And then right there you submit the application. All right. Now you're probably wondering what to sell and how to, you're probably wondering what you're going to promote and how you're going to promote it, how you're going to drive traffic. So let me go to the next step that you need to take to promote as affiliate. All right, I'm on YouTube. So you're going to use YouTube to promote the Walmart product. Now, as you can see here, there's plenty of videos about all different type of products they're doing reviews on. So you're going to make a review video and you're going to talk about that product and leave an affiliate link at the bottom of the video. Now, you can use a product. You need to use a physical product, because if you do a review video and you don't have the actual product right there, they're going to be less prone to click on your link and purchase the item or the product. So you can use, if you've been to Walmart and you already bought a product, that product needs to at least be $30 or $40 or something like that for you to get a decent amount of money from this, because you only get 10% commission. So if you bought a product, what you can do is demonstrate that product in the video and leave your affiliate link at the bottom of the video in the description. So when they look at the video, they're interested in the product, they can just click right on the affiliate link in the description of the video and takes it right to the product so they can purchase it and you get your 10% commission. Now, if you don't have a product, you probably would have to go to Walmart and purchase that product. And you don't want to get nothing too expensive unless you have that much money to spend on a product. But you want to get something maybe in the $50 range maybe. But if you don't want that much commission, just want to start off with something and get people to check out the video, drive traffic, and then you can move up to something a little bit more pricey, you can do that. So this is the method. Also, you can use Facebook to and go to Facebook groups for the said product you're going to use and talk about the product there and leave your affiliate link there so they can click on it. Okay, so YouTube is the method, or you can use Facebook. All right, so that's the end of this method. So you go to affiliates.walmart.com to get started.
All right, now you know the method you can start using right now to make money online with Walmart. So go ahead and become an affiliate marketer with Walmart. Make that review video and start making that money. All right, thank you for watching this video to this point. as promised, let me tell you about the proposition I want to offer you guys. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is just leave a comment down below in this video and all my videos that's leading up to the 500 subscriber video. Now, I'm currently at 350. I know I have a little ways to go, but with you guys' help, I know I can get there. So, if you're new, destroy that subscribe button and leave that comment down below. Because what I'm going to do once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and reward that person with $20 cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. And the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cash via PayPal. So please drop that comment down below so I can give this money away. And if you're new, please subscribe right now. All right, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. Again, hit that like button. Let's get to 50 likes so I can give some money to some unlucky person when I get that 50 likes. Also, drop a comment down below if you have a question about this video, and also so you can get a chance to win that money or gift card. And please share this on social media everywhere. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, I'm really done. I'm finished. That's it. Kaput. I'm out of here. Before I go, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.